So this question starts off with this equation up top, which causes me to call this an island question. So island questions are questions that have the format of having an equation, sometimes even a table that floats on top of the passage, right? So the passage is like the sea, and the island is the equation itself. From a formatting standpoint, whenever I see that, I immediately go to DESMOS, right? So I took that equation, I graphed it in DESMOS. We can see that it's a circle. Then I go back and read the passage. The passage says the graph of the given equation is a circle in the xy plane. The point AB, let's keep in mind, while the question is calling this A and B, really A is X and B is Y, right? X comma Y from that circle. So the point AB lies on the circle. Which of the following is a possible value for A? Again, a possible value for A really means a possible value for X. All right. So is negative 16 a possible value of X for this circle? Let's check it out. When I go to the circle and I identify X as negative 16, which is right here, I can see that there isn't a point on the circle that has an X value that's negative 16. So that causes me to say, nope, for A, cross that out. How about negative 14? On the x-intercept or on the x-axis, I find negative 14, which is here. And I can see that, yeah, there actually is. There's actually 2 points. There's a point here that would have an x value of negative 14. And there's a point here that would also have an x value of negative 14, which means that this is a good answer. I'm going to check the other ones just to make sure. 11 and 19. 11 is way over here, which is far outside of the circle. So there's no point on the circle that has an x value of 11. And 19, 16, 17, 18, 19 is way at the end here. So obviously there's no point over here that touches that circle. So it's pretty clear that the answer must be negative 14. It is the only point that has an x value that lies on the circle.